friends. If you watched my last video, I did a swipe with the ready mix pouring paints. I did extend them with a glue and Floetrol look, but I didn't really care for the way it looked. And then I discovered that most of my paints are pretty old. I've been extending them to make them last longer, but I think over time they kind of lose the integrity and they tend to break down. So I went through all my paints and discovered that I only have 3 bottles that are on the new side. The rest are from 2020 up to 2023. So I plan to just use them up straight from the bottle. Over the next several videos, I might go bigger, bigger. But today I'm starting with this one. I don't know what size this is. It looks like a 14 by 18, I think. Anyway, I'm going to do a ribbon pour. And I'm going to use gray. I don't know why I bought gray. It's just such a blah color, but that'll be my background. And then the ribbons will be black, copper, white, silver, and this is, I'm calling it bronze. It's just a color I mixed when I scraped up the leftovers. It was kind of a neat color. So, those are the colors I'm going to use. I think I'll do it in this order. Yeah. So let's see what happens. I have quite a bit of this paint, so I've got to get creative and come up with other ways. I'll probably do ring and ribbons. They work well straight from the bottle. So let's see. I can use up a good amount of these paints. This will be kind of my base coat. Oh, I can use this up. That's cool. I'm not going to worry about covering the whole canvas. I'm just going to go towards the edges, because when I add the ribbons, they will help, they will add to the volume of paint on here and help cover the whole thing. And here we go. Apply them in a kind of figure 8 shape. I don't know that I've ever done, I like to do more of a long, narrow one. I've never done one this size, so hopefully it'll still work out. I'll try and see. My copper, as always, will have sunk to the bottom, and see how the copper does not look good. It's breaking up because it's old. That's a bummer. Now, I don't like that. What a shame. I mean, you'd look at the bottle, you think it's okay, but all right. I'm going to run a little more copper. I'm going to run straight from the bottle right across there. See if I can't disguise that. Okay. Maybe it mixed with the white or the silver and broke down. Okay, here we go. Time to tilt. kind of fast because I'm just anxious to use up this paint. That kind of green is that what I call bronzy color that I mixed from the drippings. Mixed them all together and came up with that. Well, the sides look great. It's not bad. I wish I could do something about that copper there. I just really dislike the way that looks. What can I do? I guess I could run some more over it. Should I? Maybe this silver. Oh no. I don't like that at all. I gotta run that off. Oh, that's terrible. Came out all wiggly. That's no good. That's gotta go. I think I can make that go away. Yeah, it's like the paint is breaking up there and down here. Overall, though, I think it's kind of good. I don't hate it. I'd probably have it in the vertical orientation, with this being the bottom. Yeah, I don't hate it. I think this is probably what I'll do with most of my my paints to get rid of these old flow acrylic ones. I'll be doing ribbon pours because I do like the way it looks, and I even like the gray as the background. It worked out well. Okay, my friends, for what it's worth, the ribbon pour with disintegrating paints. Thanks for watching. Oh, do you want to look a little closer? It does look kind of interesting. But you see how towards the edge there, it's breaking up. It won't change much beyond this, and it's almost kind of a marble look. I like that. That corner is a little iffy, but it's dramatic. I always like drama. Okay, my friends, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.